Feeling fragged or burned out, like you just can't keep up? Maybe you're pushing to be seen or recognized, but it's like you're invisible. And your ideas are often stolen. And if so, the Projectors Success Starter Kit may be able to help. If you recently learned you're a projector and craving more in-depth knowledge of what this journey is all about, this DIY program is filled with over 10 hours of projector-specific information, videos, bonuses, classes, all leading towards your navigating much more effectively as a projector. The number one best thing you can do for yourself as we move deeper into an increasingly uncertain world is knowing yourself, away from the conditioning and influence of other people, and knowing clearly which doors to open and which should remain closed. That goes for new opportunities, what to do for a living, where to live, who to trust, and everything in between. If you don't want to just wing it, that requires knowing how you're designed to make reliably correct decisions for yourself in every aspect of your life. And that is what we're offering here for human design projectors seeking to rise above the turbulence of a frustrated generator world. A portal to the life you were designed to live.